it was more than just trees feeling the impact of the weather last night.
Authorities in Johnston say a house fire may have been started by a lightning strike. Mike Wilson sent us this video. Firefighters responded to 6020 Blackstone around 8 o'clock last night. During the storm, a lightning strike is believed to be the cause, but it has not been officially confirmed. There were no injuries. Firefighters say it caused some moderate damage.
And that's where we find our Gabe Prough live this morning. Gabe, you have even more damage reports to talk about.
Yeah, that's right. And you know, this is the scene this morning. You can see overall a much quieter scene, just a little bit of roof damage so far. And we're told, you guys said no one was hurt. So much quieter this morning, but it was a busy night last night. Several storm reports all over central Iowa. A lot of those focused, though, in the southern part of the state. As Megan was mentioning, that's where we actually saw several tornado reports. Here's a look at the map of the reports we've received so far. Again, we'll see what the light of day today reveals. And you can see, again, most of the focus in southern Iowa. There's those tornado reports in both Taylor and Ringgold counties. One tornado report in Taylor County, other two in Ringgold County, one to the west of Mount Ayr, another just kind of to the north there, as well as those flash flooding reports. And we'll see, again, once we get some surveys done, how strong those tornadoes may have been. Here's some of the damage photos that we received from viewers. This one sent in to us from Yale, Iowa. Now that's in Guthrie County. You see a tree down on top of what looks like a house here, so some serious damage there. More tree damage at this golf course in Ames. Tom sharing this photo with us. And some more dramatic images. This one coming in from Mount Ayr. Again, that's where we have those tornado reports. Lauren sharing this photo of what looks to be a shelf cloud. Now, this is a really dramatic image, kind of has that almost spaceship effect. These clouds often look scary, but usually they're just caused by some kicked up moisture ahead of a thunderstorm and caused by some wind as well. Karen is also capturing this photo from Indianola of a shelf cloud. Now, we also had some tornado warnings kind of between Norwalk and Indianola in parts of Warren County last night. Now, radar picked up some debris actually from a potential tornado, so we'll see if there's enough damage to cause the National Weather Service to do surveys, and we'll see what the light of day reveals today. If you have some photos that you would like to share with us, you can submit them using our new Report It tool. That's at who13.com/report-it. It's a very easy way to submit those photos, and it sends them to us immediately, and then we can share them on air and online. So again, if you're able to do that, we would appreciate it. But again, overall, not a ton of reports in central Iowa, but this case here of the house behind me hit by lightning, you know, that's just a reminder that even if a storm isn't severe, it can still affect people, cause damage, and that certainly is the case here in Johnston, even more so the case in southern Iowa, where we have those tornado reports.